Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your lane keep and lane follow assist in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front-wheel drive in dawning red. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, to turn on and off our lane keep and lane follow assist, we're going to use this button on the right side of the steering wheel here. Right now on the instrument panel, I happen to be on the lane safety screen. So if I were to press and hold this button for about 3 or 4 seconds, you're going to see that little symbol came up in the bottom left corner there, and then the little Sportage in the middle there had lit up. And that's telling us that we've now turned the lane keep system on. So the lane keep will use the camera that's on the outside at the top of the windshield to read both the lines in the road. And once you're going fast enough, about 60 kilometers an hour or higher, that little icon in the bottom left will go green, and the lines on either side of the Sportage in the middle there will light up to let you know that it's now reading the lines and that that system is now active. So as you start, or as you're driving, if you start drifting toward the line in the road, the vehicle will physically move the steering wheel to move you away from the line. And if you start crossing over the line hard enough, it's going to audibly alert you out loud with the sound to let you know you're now crossing over while it's still assisting you back. And to turn that system off, I'm going to go ahead and press this button again for a few seconds, and then you'll see it's going to go away, and then the little Sportage is now grayed out. If I were to just press the button without holding it, now the Sportage lit up again, and there's that little steering wheel symbol. And that one is the lane follow assist. So same idea as the lane keep, it reads both the lines in the road, and when you're going fast enough, lane follow will then keep your vehicle centered in the lane, like dead center in the lane. So it won't even let you wander around in the lane. And when you go to turn that off, you go ahead and just press it and it will turn off. So we're going to press for lane follow and press and hold for lane keep. You can use them both together if you want. You can use them individually. It's your choice. And what I'm going to do is, right now I happen to be on the lane safety screen. I am going to go through the instrument panel. I'm going to use this sheet of paper button to go sideways through the menu, and then I'm going to go up and down and press OK to select whatever's highlighted. So I'm going to head over actually to the little gear where the user settings are. I'm going to press OK on driver assistance, and I'm going to go down into lane safety. And I just want to show you where this is. You do have the shortcut by using the button to turn it on and off, but in case you happen to be in here and you're wondering what this is for the lane keep assist. So right now it is on full assist. If you didn't want it to do the physical moving of the steering wheel, you can set it to warning only. So it will only let you know if you're really starting to cross over the line. And of course, when you have your turn signal on, you're forgiven, and the car is not going to be yelling at you or alerting you that you're crossing over the line because you have your turn signal on. And then if you didn't want the system on, again, you can turn it off even from here, and you'll see the lane keep symbol did go away when I turned that off. And if you are using your lane safety system, actually, I'm just going to go back out of here first, and I'm going to hit the sheet of paper button to move back over, and I'm going to head back over to the lane keep screen. If when you're driving using the lane keep or the lane follow and the car is not detecting any resistance in the steering wheel from you holding it, you will get told in the instrument panel to put your hands on the wheel or to keep your hands on the wheel. If that happens too many times during your drive, this car will temporarily disable all of the lane safety systems until you literally pull the car over and restart it, because you've apparently abused the system, or maybe you're not using it correctly. It just wants to make sure that you're not doing things you're not supposed to be doing when you're supposed to be focusing on driving. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.